by Jim Rohn. People have asked me for the last couple of years, how do you develop an above average income? I said, the answer is become an above average person. Develop an above average handshake. Some people want to be successful but they don't even work on their handshake. As easy as that would be to start on. They let it slide, they don't even understand. Develop an above average smile. Develop an above average excitement. Develop an above average interest in your work. See, that will change everything. Probably the most biggest frustration in life is looking for a job with above average pay without becoming an above average person. When I first met Mr. Shah, he gave me the biggest clue he gave me about life. He said, Jim, if you want to be successful and wealthy for the rest of your life, just learn this philosophy well. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Because if you work hard on your job, you will make a living. But if you work hard on yourself, you will make a fortune. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good job. Your good name?
Mohammed Faisal.